Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this ice maker, but let's get right into this. So I've been using this for a few days now and I absolutely love this along with my entire family. It has this LED light so that you can actually see the ice. It has it on and off, super easy to use, and then it has an ice full. It'll tell you when it's full right here, and it also has an easy clean mode to clean it out. All you do is press a button. So super easy to use. You can see it makes up to 37 pounds of ice a day. You just have to keep dumping this out. I like to put them in like Ziploc bags. Super easy to do. So within 6 seconds, it can already be making ice. It's like really fast. It has a max line right here, which I'll show you in a second. And you want to fill it up to at least there. Has a scoop and a little area where you can actually put it down. Let me go ahead and show you the max line real quick. So as you can see, that's your max line that you want to fill it up to before using, and you can already see it's still making ice. It makes it super quick. Let me go ahead and put this so it catches it. So let's go ahead and make a drink with it. So this is my favorite ice. It's like Sonic ice. You can see it's like little square cubes. And it's really soft. It has a really good crunch to it. So definitely like a favorite of mine. I love Sonic drinks. And this way I can make my own. And if you put these in like a Stanley cup, I will go to bed with ice water, and by the next night it's still icy. So with a cup like that, it lasts a really long time. I'm going to use it about like that. So I am going to put a little bit of lemon juice in here. I'm going to make like a strawberry limeade, so I'm going to put a little bit of strawberry. And then I'm going to put some Baja Blast Zero Mountain Dew. And as you can see, that is my drink. It tastes amazing. So as you can see, this thing works amazing. You can make some really great drinks with it. I definitely highly recommend these. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, God bless.